Hello there guys, welcome back to another short online tutorial. It's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics and today we're based in Adobe Photoshop. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to create this abstract pattern effect within Adobe Photoshop. A very simple step-by-step process, but a very powerful visual, aesthetically pleasing pattern that you can create very easily. And as you can see here, I have a fabulous example in front of you, what we're talking about and what I'd like to show you today. Okay, so what I've done is I've got it on one layer. So in a sense now I can just remove this layer. So with that highlighted, I'm now going to take that to the bin. Wonderful. The predominant tool that we need to use is the brush tool. Shortcut for it is the letter B. And now I have my brush. Now I'm just going to make sure that I'm happy with the brush that I'm going for here. Could use some others, but I think I'm going to stick with soft round. And say the size probably around 800 should be good. Now, very, very important, what you need to do is change the blending mode of the brush, and the blending mode that you need to change it to is difference. You need to make sure that your foreground color is white, and let's work smartly in the sense of adding a brand new layer. Okay, and now you're all set to go, guys, because we've attached that blending mode as difference. Now, if I start to create and start to add brush strokes on my design here, you can see that I'm really creating a real abstract looking brush strokes and pattern effect. I'm being random with here in this pattern in a sense. I'm not really sort of sticking to any sort of route or anything. Just trying to create a real abstract looking piece of artwork for me to use in future designs. And there you go, guys. That is how you create that abstract pattern effect with Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about Blue Sky Graphics, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also as well, we have a real interesting Instagram page with some really cool information about graphic design, and there's some really cool work on there by really talented students. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.